Most people choose field service software without really understanding the pricing structure, and that is exactly how small businesses end up overpaying every single month. Here's the truth no one tells you. Tradify pricing in 2026 is not just about the monthly fee. It is about how many users you have, what features you activate, and how much value your team actually gets from it. In this video, you'll get a clear breakdown of Tradify's pricing model, what each plan typically includes, and whether it is actually worth the cost for trade businesses like plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and general contracting. Let's start with the basics. Tradify uses a subscription-based pricing model. That means you pay monthly or annually per user. This is common in field service software because pricing scales with team size. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike some complex enterprise tools, Tradify keeps its pricing structure relatively simple. Most plans include core features like quoting, job scheduling, invoicing, and job tracking. So even the base plan is already useful for small trade businesses. But here's the problem. Many users underestimate how quickly costs increase as their team grows. A solo tradesperson like Jake might find it very affordable at the start. But once you add office staff, multiple technicians, and more job volume, the per-user cost starts to add up. Let's break it down in simple terms. Lower-tier plans are usually designed for solo users or very small teams. These include essential tools like job management, basic invoicing, and scheduling. It is enough for someone just starting out or running a lean operation. Mid-tier plans are where most growing businesses sit. This is where you typically get better automation, more reporting features, and improved workflow tools. A business owner like Alex running a small plumbing company would use this level to manage both field workers and office coordination more smoothly. Higher-tier plans are designed for larger trade businesses. These often include advanced reporting, deeper customization, and multi-team management features. This is where Tradify starts to support scaling operations more seriously. Now here's what most people miss. Pricing is not just about software cost. It is about time saved. If your office staff spends less time chasing jobs, writing invoices, and coordinating schedules, the software is effectively paying for itself. So is Tradify expensive in 2026? It depends on your size. For small teams, it is usually considered affordable and straightforward. For larger teams, the cost grows, but so does the operational efficiency. Here is the simple takeaway. You are not just buying software. You are buying time, organization, and fewer mistakes in your daily workflow. If you understand the trade-off, you will know whether Tradify is worth it for your business. If this breakdown helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more software pricing explanations like this.